Hello friends, today in this video I'll show you how to generate tags. You know, if you are publishing videos for money, if you want to be on YouTuber, your videos should have tags. Tags are really very important if you want to rank your videos and want more views. But you just cannot put anything as tags. Tags need to be made. There are many methods to make tags, among which I'll show you some. So let's get started. The first one, for this method, you need to download an application from the Google Play Store. Here you can see the app's name is Tag You. You have to install this app. Since I've already installed, I'll open. On opening the application, you will get an interface like this. Here you can see the option keyword idea. Click on that. Tags, keywords are more or less the same. These are just ads which you can see. What is your video about? Write it over here. You can do one thing. You can just write the title in the input keyword to check place. For example, I'll give the title of this video and then click check. See, you'll get such keywords. You can put these up as your keywords. These are very good keywords. You can use it. These can help your videos rank in YouTube. Okay, now the second method you can do is go to Google and type there the title of the video you have made. On opening, you'll get an interface something like this, and then you have to scroll down to the most bottom part. Here you will see related searches. You have to copy them, so just click on related searches. Not actually click, you have to long press to copy, and then copy everything. All the related searches you have to copy, but make sure that you are not copying the words related and searches. So just copy it and take it to anywhere. For example, you can have memo or notepad, or simply you can take it to any messages part and paste it. Remember, you are temporarily keeping it over here or wherever you are keeping, and then put commas at the end. Commas are really very important. And then the last one, put a full stop. When you are done with this, just copy it, long pressing everything, just copy it and paste it in the tag option when you are publishing the video, or after that maybe. So this was my second way. And the third way, just go to YouTube, go to search, and then type the title. See, You did type. This time what you saw after typing the title, there was only one thing. Only one option was there. But it will not happen like that always. You'll get many options like this. So the first options, the first few, just copy them and paste it in the tag option when you are publishing your video. That will be very good for you. These are very important, the tags. So thank you. These were my 3 ways to generate tags and do other necessary things for your YouTubing career. And if you have liked my video, please like and subscribe to my channel. And if you find it disappointing anywhere, please comment and tell me where I should improve. Thank you. I'll take a leave.